Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben, and the crypto market has performed quite well in the last few days, and therefore we want to take a look at the VeChain chart today. So let's take a look at the current structure, support, resistance, and what the longer time frame targets are. Let's go. All right, so let's navigate the website here. Let's get to the cryptocurrencies section. You can register here on our website, dailymarketupdate.com, completely for free. And you'll get all these daily Elliott-Wave updates completely for free. By the way, we now also cover tech stocks. So if you're interested in stocks like PayPal or Coinbase, you can check it out here as well, completely for free. So let's go to the crypto section. VeChain was updated today. And I only made a video, I think last week or a couple of weeks ago, and we talked about VeChain when it was in the trading area. It has turned around now in this trading area, in this support area. And we need to understand now if VeChain has already turned around or not. Is it confirmed? Let's take a look at the weekly chart first. Remind ourselves of the relevant targets, the upside targets. And let's try to figure out if the alt season has already started or not. I know a lot of people are interested in this, are waiting for the alt season to start. We are here on the weekly chart. I don't want to spend too much time here on the weekly chart. We talked about it before. The idea is still, that the third wave rally could take us to 58 cents or higher. That's a long-term target, and that is really long-term. There's no way of saying if this is going to happen in this bull market or not, because it is very, far away. Again, I mentioned it before, a third wave is typically the strongest rally in any Elliott-Wave cycle. It is very much possible that we are going to see here this third wave rally, as you can see on the chart, but it's obviously a 5-wave move itself. Maybe in this bull market, we will only complete wave 1 of 3. It's too early to say really, but we also know, if you take a look at the previous bull market, that if a bull run is unfolding, proper rally, then this can go parabolic in the crypto space. So looking here at the chart, obviously we're just waiting for the market to give us more upside momentum, particularly to break above these March highs here, or the highs of end of last year and March, and then to give us a clear signal that this third wave is actually unfolding. It's already the expectation, but you can see it here on the weekly chart. There isn't really the upside momentum that we can get very excited about at this stage. Not yet. Important resistance on this time frame is the 28 cent level. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. A lot of people are interested in this. So if we take a look here at the daily chart, the wave count hasn't changed. The wave count hasn't changed. First of all, you can see that a rally unfolded into the March highs. So this was here the 5.5 cent level. That obviously on the daily time frame needs to be broken in order to unlock really those higher prices that I just mentioned on the weekly chart. Let's go back to the weekly here, particularly to get to 28 cents in the first stage. I think most people would be happy with 28 cents. Okay, we're still far away from that. We're currently trading around 3.2 cents. But we had this rally. It's a first impulse to the upside, and now that started in June last year, rallied in this 5-wave move to the upside into the 5.5 cent high in March, then a 3-wave correction. It's a WXY correction. These WXY corrections, they are type of corrective structures. There are more than 10 different corrective structures in Elliott-Wave. If we analyze with the Elliott-Wave method, there's a wide range of different corrections we can choose from to chart or to analyze a chart, and the WXY is one of the more complex ones. But we don't want to get too much into the detailed structure here. It's important to understand that if a Y wave is complete, the market has the chance to turn around. Nothing is guaranteed, but remember what I highlighted in the last update, that as long as we're holding the 1.79 cent level, the overall upside expectations are alive. We can sort of look for possible entry points in the blue trading area, and if the market can turn around there, then all we need to do is to manage risk once we're leaving the area. Well, the market is currently leaving that area, but I can tell you that it's not possible yet to confirm really that a low is in. It looks like that, but we need to see a possible first impulse, an impulse on a smaller wave count degree, smaller time frame, to really confirm that this wave 2 is bottomed. It's just a 5-wave move as we had it between June and March on a smaller time frame, and this hasn't happened yet. Okay, if we see that, and if we then see the first pullback, we can add the next trading area potentially to the chart if it's clear. It's not always clear, but at the moment I'd be tracking here the third wave in blue, which should eventually see the price get above 5.5 cents. Okay, if we test the blue area again, the blue trading area, you could still use it to find an entry. It is even possible to form one more low, but then the price should really not break above 1.79 cents, because if it does, then it's probably a different wave count. It's not this assumption anymore that this is a wave 2 correction. It would be too deep for a wave 2, and the invalidation point hasn't changed. It's at 1.3 cents. Typically, we would recommend to set possibly a stop loss below the box. For example, here 1% below the 1.79 cent level, or 2%. That sort of depends a little bit on your own risk profile. If you want to give it a bit more space, 2% is fine. But yeah, risk management is important. At the moment, we see this uptrend. We now need to be watching for a first 5-wave move up from the low. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please leave a like. Yeah, leave a comment as well, and subscribe to the channel. Activate the notification bell. And yeah, if you can let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or tech stocks or other assets you want me to cover in one of the future videos, that would be great. So let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.